Officially presented by IWA Outdoor Classics and our partners, Beretta, Steiner, VFG Weapon Care, and the lead-free hunting bullets by RWS.
Hi, this is Adrian for the Low-Ready Media Magazine at the IWA 2024. Here at the Spyderco booth with Wouter. Wouter, thank you for having us.
Adrian, hi.
We are talking now about the new Spyderco Para Military and CPM MagnaCut all black. Wouter, tell us a little bit more about the knife.
This is a new member of our Salt series of knives. This is the Para Military 2, also one of our most popular designs from the past years. And it features a G10 handle scales with a Caribbean bidirectional grip texture. And the blade is CPM MagnaCut steel, which has great all-around properties, also immense rust resistance. But nevertheless, this version comes coated in black DLC coating. Same goes for all the hardware, has been coated as well. Features a compression lock, 4-way clip mounting, and yeah, it's a new Salt series edition with the Para Military 2 in MagnaCut steel.
Great knife. From what I've heard so far, you expect this to be a bestseller this year, basically.
It should be very popular and is ready to ship within the next few weeks.
Thank you, Wouter.